Alright, so I removed the wall, the old glass wall. I'm going to start rebuilding the new one. Connect it to the other wall. And up there, where that stainless steel panel, I have to attach the new wall to that wall. So I have to remove it to make a cross brace to be able to have something to attach it to. Alright, and I was surprised that the old one had nothing attaching it to the concrete wall. There was this silicone on each side, so maybe that's why the door was opening backwards, because it was opening away from the wall. It was really hard to get in, so I wanted to open this way against the wall. So the new door, of course, I'll have a piece of wood anchored into the concrete. Alright. So I've finished cutting the pieces for the last part of the wall, and you can see there's a joint. There's going to be a window right there, so it doesn't matter how I started it. If I started from the wall or started from there, I would end up with the joint in the middle, so that's how it's going to be. and then there's a post there and another one there, and then it'll be a thinner one at the end. And it was a little bit raining earlier, so instead of doing the floor, I'll work on the roof to keep the water out. All right, let's get it done. All right, so a couple days ago, today is Wednesday, so Monday, I finished putting the frame for this part, and then you can see there's going to be a door there, and right here will be a window, a big patio door over there. And I managed to put a little bit of the roof up already, so it's just plywood for now, but it keeps the rain away. So my plan for today is to put the frame for the window and the extra studs in between, maybe the top for the door, and then put the Tyvek weather stripping, and that should be all for today. And I ordered the windows, so they'll come probably next week. I can install them. So yesterday I fit in the other part of the frame, the smaller pieces between the big studs, and I put the roof all across. Came a bit of a challenge when I don't make roofs often, so I don't know exactly what it takes. And then on the corner, because the roof extends, I had to build a support. I don't know if you can see it over there, but there's a kind of a T that supports the roof. So that took some time, and it's got bolts and then two metal brackets. You can't see, it's too dark at the top, maybe from the other side. So this is the inside structure. I started putting the 2x4 for the ceiling as well. So normally the roofs they have a 9 centimeter by 9 every 91 centimeters, and in this case it's 125, so I put an extra support in the middle, and it's supported on the post, not the post but the beams. It's about the same strength, I think. Alright. And over the window, because it's longer, so there's a double beam at the top and attach with metal braces to make sure they don't move.